Hello guys, welcome back to Product Trends. So we have the latest launch of the OnePlus, which is the OnePlus NORD. So let's quickly open the box and check out what's inside. So here we have the box, and there's a OnePlus branding at the right side of the box. This is a 8GB RAM and a 128GB internal storage variant. Now let's quickly open the box. So here we go, this way NORD. So the phone actually feels very good in the hand, and this is a grey color variant. So let's keep the phone aside and check out what else is in the box. So inside the box you get the welcome letter from the OnePlus. Then you have this transparent flexible case. The case has a very weird design at the back. Then you have the membership card of the Red Cable Club, and you have this OnePlus stickers. And like always you get this quick start guide, safety information and some other stuff. Then you have this 30-watt charger, which is actually used for fast charging. This charger is actually very bulky and it has a OnePlus branding at the back. And then you have this red and white Type-C charging cable. Now coming back to the phone, let's quickly take out this cover. The phone actually looks very stylish with a grey color finish at the back. It's actually very shiny because of the Corning Gorilla Glass 5 finish. The OnePlus NORD has 4 cameras at the back. It has a 48 megapixel main camera and a 8 megapixel camera for ultra wide angle shots, and a 5 megapixel depth camera and a 2 megapixel camera for macro shots. And there are 2 cameras at the front, which is the dual camera setup. The primary camera, which is the 32 megapixel wide angle lens, and the 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens. At the side you have this power and power off button and a slider, which is used to turn on or turn off the silent mode. On the left side you have this volume controller button. At the bottom of the phone you have this dual SIM tray, USB Type-C charging port and a pair of speakers. And at the top you get this mic. So guys, the phone is very smooth because the phone comes with 6.44-inch fluid AMOLED display, and the refresh rate of the screen can be set from 60Hz to 90Hz. The phone has Snapdragon 765G processor, and it has 8GB RAM and 128GB ROM. Talking about the battery life of this phone has a 4115 mAh built-in battery. You can actually charge this phone from 0 to 70% in just 30 minutes. Now coming to the camera, it has different camera options, which is the portrait, nightscape, pro, and in video you have slow motion, panorama and time lapse. And the camera actually performs very good, and let me show you some shots which I have taken from this rear camera of the OnePlus NORD. Now talking about the gaming performance in this phone, we'll just play this well-known game PUBG. The phone actually loads the game very fast, and let us check out the gameplay of this. The game runs very smooth. I don't see any lag or frame drops in this. But the only issue is the phone can only run on a smooth, balanced or HD graphics. The HDR graphics is still not available in the OnePlus NORD. Now coming to the video quality in this phone. The video quality in this phone is actually very good. You can also zoom in the video to enjoy the video full screen without any blank edges at the sides. So overall, talking about the phone, OnePlus has provided a very cool option for the mid-range smartphones, and the smartphone is very satisfying for its price range with 5G support, which is future ready. Talking about the variants of this phone, the OnePlus NORD has 3 different variants. The first one is the 6GB RAM and 64GB internal storage, which is available at 25,000, and the second variant, which is the 8GB RAM and 128GB internal storage, is available at 28,000, and the 12GB RAM 256GB internal storage is available at 30,000 rupees. And talking about the color variants, the OnePlus NORD has just 2 color variants, the blue marble and the onyx grey. So if you're planning to buy this smartphone, you can go check out the link in the description. So that's it for this video guys. I'll be back with another video soon. So please do hit the subscribe button and keep supporting Product Trends.